The goal with this activity is to really loosen up your entire body and move with a whole lot less tension. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna line your side. You want your legs stacked atop one another. Your top hand is gonna be right up against your rib cage. Put the thumb on the sternum. And what you wanna do is you're gonna think about moving very slowly with as little effort as possible. Your zipper and your sternum are gonna move together as one unit. You're gonna roll back and forth. As you do so, I want you to lift the top knee up. You might feel a little bit of glute working, but that's okay. It's not the biggest focus. And so what I want is you're just gonna roll nice and slow up as far as comfortable, making sure you keep the zipper and the sternum moving as one piece, but you don't wanna move so far that your bottom leg comes up. We don't want that. So you're gonna explore how far you can move, leading with the knee, zipper and rib and sternum stay as one unit, and then as soon as your other leg starts to move, which is about right there for you, boy, you're gonna slowly bring it back. And with this, you're gonna nasal breathe with your mouth closed throughout. Don't work hard at the breathing. And again, it should be very low effort. You're gonna feel very little tension with this. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.